Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this Sony Discman D141. So one of the Discmans from the late 90s, early 2000s with 1-bit DAC and electronic shock protection. So other than that, this one is still in its box, but that does not mean that it's new. Sadly, this one does not work. So this one still has all of its accessories in the box, including the what's this? This is the warning about the volume. So this is something special that I will show you in an instant. We have the user manual and everything else that comes with it, and we have an advertisement for Walkman accessories or Discman accessories. So as you can see, you can pause at any moment to take a look and see what is your choice. And you can also put it in the comments if you are rocking any of these. And on the back we also have an advertisement for speakers or mini speakers. There's some active ones and there's some passive ones. So speakers: with any of Sony's speaker range connected to your Sony Walkman or Sony Discman, you can enjoy great sound quality at home or outdoors. With Sony speakers, everyone can enjoy the sound of your Walkman or Discman. Well, that would depend, because some people might find it annoying. So there's some cool ones in here, like this one for example. And my favorite actually is, of course, this one, with a built-in amplifier with 30 watts high power output, carbon fiber satellite arms, it should be, anti-vibration system with its remote control and everything. Awesome. I've never seen that one in real life. We also have these two stereo pillow speaker system. I've never seen those either. Well, I actually haven't seen most of these. Some that I might have seen are, well, I've seen these, the SRS 5G. I think I've seen some of these, or at least this style. I don't know if which model they are. Anyway, of course we have the headphones, so nothing special. The original headphones that come with the Discman. So this is the an adapter for the US for the 4.5 volt charger with center positive, and of course the Discman itself. And as you can see, still has its sticker. So the lady I bought it off of told me that it has been used, but only briefly, a long time ago. And of course it shows there's a little bit of there's some scratches, but nothing horrible. So, and there's even this little note that's included about the volume. So as you can see, this one actually turns on, but we have no disc spin. So I'm not sure what that's about, but only one way to find out. Let's see if this one moves. Well, let's see if it will come back to its original place. Alright, so the laser pickup does seem to be working. So okay, so it was just the connector. How about that? It's working. Alright, so there you go folks, quite an easy fix. I'm quite happy with that. So it was just the connector apparently that was not properly plugged in. It was one of these, I'm not sure which because I've touched them together at the same time. And yeah. So there you go. So there you go, quite happy with that. I love it when the fix is quite easy. Of course it doesn't happen that often. If you have a similar problem, so that's the first thing to check, just the connectors, take them off or just put them firmly in place and go from there. Hope you enjoyed. If you find this useful, please leave a like, it always helps. Other than that, if you're not already, you can subscribe. And until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.